In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Additional Settings. From here, select Languages and Input. Tap on Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Finally, tap on Theme section and scroll all the way down. Then click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available ones. Tap on the one that you wish to apply. Manage key borders and choose Apply in order to save it. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and customize it by choosing this plus icon under my themes. Now select one of your pictures over here by clicking on the chosen one or tap on one of those apps. You can also click on those three lines at the top left corner. Pick one of those sources and select a photo from it. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move in order to adjust it. Then adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. If you want to delete one of your themes, click on the chosen one. Tap on this bin icon next to key borders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to edit one of your custom ones, tap on the one that you wish to edit and tap on this pen icon between key borders and pin 1. Now make your changes. Tap on Next, adjust brightness and click on Save. Remember to click on Apply again. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!